So the second category of questions in derivative can be open brackets first. So when brackets are being given and you want to solve it with a simple method of derivative, so our first task is to open the brackets. When we will open the brackets, it will be converted into a simple question and then we can easily take the derivative. So just taking this function is equals to y, and we will open the bracket. 2x will be multiplied by 3x, then 2x will be multiplied by 2 also. So 2x into 3x will be 6x square, and 2x into 2 will be 4x, minus 1 into 3x will be minus 3x, and minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. So now this question has been converted into a simple question. Now if we have to take the derivative, dy upon dx, so d upon dx of all the individual items will be taken because there are plus minus signs. So we can directly take the derivative. Second term minus d upon dx of third term, minus because minus sign is there, so d upon dx of the fourth term. Taking the derivative of 6x squares, it is 12x, plus derivative of 4x will be 4, minus 3x derivative will be 3, and the 2's derivative will be 0. So this is our final answer. Solving this, we can further write it 12x plus 1. This is another question where we have to solve it by open brackets method. Now here first this function y, we will open the brackets. So this c under root x will be multiplied by d under root x. So it will be c d under root x multiplied by under root x, it will be x because it will be square and the under root will be deleted. So first, second will be c under root x multiplied by c. So c square under root x will be the second term. Plus, now d will be multiplied, it will be d square under root x, plus d multiplied by c will be cd or dc we can write. So now we will take the derivative. Now taking the derivative on the left hand side, it will be derivative of y with respect to x, d upon dx of cdx plus c square. Now for taking the derivative, what we will do is we will just remove this under root and put the power half. So let us put the sign of derivative also over here. So d upon dx of c square, and x instead of under root I am just writing the power half. So moving further, again we have to take the derivative of the third term. It is d square, again x power half, because with the powers it is easier to take the derivative. Plus again d upon dx of the last term, that is cd. Now taking the derivative here, x power is 1, 1 will come further, cd, and x will be having power 1 minus 1. So that is 0. Having power 0 is equal to 1. So first derivative is this. Plus now again we will have to take the derivative of this. Now x power is half. This half will come here and c square will be at its own place, and x power will be minus half now because already it is half. When we will reduce 1 out of this, so it will become minus half. Plus d upon dx, again we will take this half will come forward, d square will be at its own place, and x power will be minus half because my half minus 1 is minus half. And last cd, so there is no x, so it is a constant, so derivative of the constant is equal to 0. So moving ahead in the last step, this cd will be cd only here. So from here we can take half common. If we take half common out of this, so we will, and even x power minus half also can be taken common. So half is also common, and x power minus half if we take common, so we are having c square plus d square, and this 0 we will just leave. We can leave the question here or we can just write it like that. cd will be at its own place plus half. So x minus half, it means if we keep this x below, it will be x power half. So here we can write 2 under root x. I hope you all understand what I have done. In this case, x power is half. If I take this x below, it will be under root x. X power half, I told you, is equals to x under root. X under root means x power half. These are one and the same things. So here x comes below with the power positive power half. So I have written under root at its place, and finally we can write bracket c square plus d square. So another type of questions can be when three things have to be multiplied. This is also similar what we have already done. So we can just multiply this portion with the first bracket first. When we multiply x power 3 and x power 1, when bases are same, powers can be added. So it will be x power 4 plus 2x cube. So these first two brackets have been solved, and after that we have been given x square plus 1. Now we can open the brackets as we have done. So by opening the brackets, it will be x power 6 and then x power 4 plus 2x power 5 plus 2x cube. So I have just multiplied first term with both and second term with both. So we are having this function now. If we take the derivative, now I am directly taking the derivative. You can write the first step, that is derivative of this plus derivative of this. I am directly taking the derivative. Taking the derivative, power will come in the front and power will be reduced by 1. So x power 6 derivative is 6 is x power 5 plus x power 4's derivative is 4x power cube plus this power will come further 10x power 4 plus 6x square. So this is how the questions of open the brackets are solved in derivatives.